How I relocated from the UK to Germany step by step, and I am spilling all the tips you would need to do it stress free. Hey guys, it is Victoria. Stick around for step 4 because I ran into one of the craziest airport disaster while packing and moving, and it is a lesson you don't want to miss. Before we dive in, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you ever thought about moving abroad, you would want to stick around for this. Step 1: Research and planning. I spent weeks figuring out about visa. What kind of visa do I need? Do I need to get a job first and then apply for a work visa, or do I need to come as a student and apply for a study visa? Aside that, I also looked at the housing options. I looked at the cost of living. I joined online forum communities where I was able to get inside tips, which was quite helpful for me. Step 2: Getting your visa. I prepared all my documents: acceptance letter from the university, degree certificates, birth certificates, UK residence permit, financial proof, health insurance, and just every document. There's always a checklist that you have to follow. My top tip for you is for you to prepare your documents, double check everything, and also make copies of your documents. It will save you some headache. Step 3 is about finding your first place in Germany. This one is key for settling in smoothly. Step 3: Accommodation. There are so many online platforms you can check out. Personally, I use VGG Suite to find my first place. If you want me to make a video about how you can get affordable housing, comment below and I'll make a video because I think it is very broad. And my tip for you is for you to go check out the place first. And if you don't have time or if you are not in the country yet, if you have someone trustworthy, check out the place for you. And also make sure that the bus stop isn't far and there are other convenience store around because I'm sure you would need it. Step 4 is where things got intense. I nearly missed my flight. Step 4: Packing and moving. I underestimated this step completely and I learned the hard way. Personally, I underestimated this step. I was more focused about getting my visa, making sure that I have a place to stay and accommodation, and I didn't ship any of my things. There are so many shipping agencies, shipping companies in UK that would have helped me ship my things. I did not ship my things. I did not weigh my bag. Everyone knows that when they travel, they're supposed to weigh their bag. But for some reason, because I had other things that were my priority, I just felt like when I get to the airport, but if it is SS, I have to pay for the SS. When I got to the airport to check in, my bag was way overweight. I was advised to get a bag or let go of some clothes. So I got a bag and then I was really disorganized. I moved some of the things into the new bag and still it was still overweight. My friend that came with me to the airport had to, get the remaining. I almost missed my flight because I had not gone through security. I had only 10 minutes left. And the security checks, that one is another story on its own because I forgot my body oil in my hand luggage, but that's a story on its own. So after all of this process, the lady came to me and told me, "Are you Victoria?" Blah blah blah. I said yes, and then she was like, "Come with me." So she took me to where I boarded my flight. So immediately I sat down. Then the announcement, they just gave the announcement, and we just moved off. For me, I felt like I was not going to make it, honestly, because I had just 10 minutes left. My friend was also texting me like, "Did you make it?" Because we just felt like there was no way I could make it. So I would always advise that you travel light or at least weigh your bag. Make sure that you are prepared. Packing right is crucial. It can save you stress, time, and money. Lesson learned: ship every items in advance or pack strategically. Step 5: Arriving in Germany. First, you have to do your city registration. You have to register your address. I spoke about it in my last video. You can watch it here. Set up a bank account and explore your neighborhood. Take it step by step. It feels overwhelming at first, but you will settle in quicker than you think. Bonus tip: learn basic German. It makes life so much easier. Join students or local communities. Networking helps. Stay organized and patient. Relocation is a journey, not a race. If I can do it, so can you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. If you are planning a move, I would like to hear your story. I will be sharing tips on how to move abroad, student life in Germany. So hit the bell icon to like and share this video.